Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can join the MEXC Global Affiliate Program. So the first thing that you will have to do once you are on the official MEXC is you will just have to log in and of course make sure that your credentials are right so that you will be able to successfully log into your account. And then once you've logged in, you will just have to look for the profile section and then just click that. And once you're inside the profile, you will just have to click affiliate program and then click join now, and then you will read and accept the terms, and then you will get a unique referral link to share, and then of course you will track your referrals and earnings from the affiliate dashboard. And then of course you should encourage your friends to sign up using your link, and you will earn your commissions on their trading fees. And yeah, the Maxi affiliate program is really simple, and you can earn passive income by it, and always follow the program rules so that you will be able to ensure the payouts. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.